Hello guys, today I am thrilled to introduce the latest innovation from Tecno, the Common 40 Pro. This smartphone exemplifies Tecno's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology, combining advanced features with elegant design to cater to the diverse needs of modern users. Design and display: the Common 40 Pro boasts a sleek and slim profile, measuring just 7.3 mm in thickness, making it both stylish and comfortable to hold. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED display offers a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp visuals. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, users can enjoy smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience, whether browsing the web, watching videos, or gaming. Performance: under the hood, the Common 40 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor. This octa-core CPU, combined with the ARM Mali G57MC2 GPU, ensures seamless multitasking and a responsive gaming experience. The device comes equipped with 8 GB of RAM, expandable by an additional 8 GB through memory fusion technology, totaling 16 GB of RAM. This, coupled with 256 GB of internal storage, provides ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Camera: photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Common 40 Pro's camera capabilities. The rear setup features a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, allowing users to capture stunning photos in various scenarios. On the front, a 50MP autofocus camera ensures crisp and clear selfies, making it ideal for video calls and social media sharing. Battery and charging: to keep up with the demands of daily use, the Common 40 Pro houses a 5200 mAh battery, offering extended usage without frequent recharging. When it's time to recharge, the 45W supercharge technology ensures that the battery reaches 50% in just 23 minutes and a full charge in 43 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping users connected throughout the day. Additional features: the Common 40 Pro also includes features such as dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support for an enhanced audio experience, NFC for convenient transactions, and an array of sensors including a geomagnetic sensor, ambient light sensor, and electronic compass. Running on Android 15 with Tecno's iOS 15, users can expect a smooth and intuitive interface with the latest software enhancements. In conclusion, the Tecno Common 40 Pro is a testament to Tecno's dedication to innovation and user-centric design. It combines powerful performance, exceptional camera capabilities, and a sleek design to meet the evolving needs of today's smartphone users. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who simply wants a reliable and stylish device, the Common 40 Pro is poised to exceed your expectations. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.